Trust. Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this blow dryer. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. So my wife was looking for a blow dryer, and I said, okay, let me search for one. So I found this one, foldable one. So I don't really know the model number. I don't really know the name of this blow dryer, but it's written. It's a folding T-type hair dryer. The name and the model number XDM 3600. So this is it. And I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this blow dryer. So now to the specs. The specs not really written on the body, it's written but all in Chinese language somehow. But I went to where I bought it and I wrote it down. So it's written got negative ion, material, ABS, I mean plastic, So motor got a brush motor, DC brush motor. Temperature regulation got two gears, but somehow three because it's two is hot and one is cold, so 3 gears. So it's a foldable hair dryer. Single hair nozzle, got single hair nozzle, and got overheating protection. And the colors got pink, green, and purple color. So that's it, I guess. So got 1600 watts, and it can dry hair quickly and protect hair at 57 degrees temperature. So now let's unbox this blow dryer. All right. So this is it. This is the box. Comes like this. Like I said before, the model number XDM 3600, and yeah, 1600 watts for the hair dryer. So it's all written in Chinese language, like I said before. Okay. Got green, pink, and purple color. So here, can't really read it. Side here. Okay. So you can read by yourself. So now let's open it. So I bought this color, the green one. I mean the light green, as you can see. Looks good. Looks good. So this is the nozzle, just a single one. Okay. So let's put this aside. And comes with adapter, because this is European adapter, which is good because I need it. And inside, got the manual, I guess. No. Okay, I don't know what is that. Nothing else inside. So this is it. I guess you can open this place. I don't know. Ah, okay. Okay, you can open. Okay. Okay. This is it. It looks good. Looks good. Small, not too big. Okay. And here. Okay, got a 0. The code one. the first speed and the second speed. Okay. And this one. Okay, to fit in is a problem. Okay, this is a problem for me. Okay, it's in. Okay. And I'm gonna try it. So okay, this one is hot. So this is it. It's very, very hot. That's it for the unboxing of this Xindaman blow dryer. So peace, man.